Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'll show you how to get corporate discount on Apple products through Apple's business and employee purchase programs. Let's dive in. Actually, we have here a four kind of discount in corporate. First is the Apple's business pricing program. Apple offers exclusive pricing for business that purchase devices in bulk. Now, the question is, who are the qualified? Small businesses, startups, and enterprises. Companies that frequently buy Apple products for employees or businesses that need multiple devices for work. And how to enroll. Just go easy. Visit Apple's business page and click on Talk to a Business Expert and fill out the form. Apple will assign a business specialist to discuss pricing based on your company's need. If approved, you'll get access to special discounts and bulk pricing offers. Two is the Apple Employee Purchase Program or the EPP. Some companies partner with Apple to provide discounts to their employees. Who are the qualified? Employees of the companies that have an Apple corporate discount agreement, government, military, educational institution employees, some large enterprises, and tech firms. Now, how to check eligibility? Visit Apple's Employee Purchase Program page and then log into the work email or company credentials. If your employer or partnered with Apple, you'll see the discounted prices. Three is the corporate partner discount or the True programs. Many large organizations offer Apple discounts through third-party perks platforms. The first are the Perks at Work, which is used by many Fortune 500 companies. Corporate benefits programs, which is offered by companies like Deloitte, IBM, and Google. Government and military discounts. Apple provides special pricing for federal and state employees. Now, how to access? Check with your HR or IT department to see if your company has an Apple discount. Log into your corporate Perkle Prax and pick perks on the work. Look for an Apple discounts and follow the instructions to claim them. Fourth is to buy through Apple's business resellers. Apple authorized resellers often offer better corporate discounts than Apple's direct store. First is the popular Apple resellers, is the CDW. Business and Enterprise Solutions, which is also the Insight, IT Solutions with IP business pricing, MacMall, which is Apple products with bulk pricing discounts. How to buy in here? Visit the reseller's website and search for an Apple business pricing and contact their sales team to negotiate bulk discount. Place an order through the business portal for corporate servings. That's how you can get a corporate discount on Apple products. Use Apple's business program if you need the bulk pricing. Check Apple's employee purchase program if your company is partnered with Apple. Look into corporate perks portals for additional savings and consider resellers for better business discounts. I hope this guide helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.